about to intimidate you, to drive you out of the land of Makkah, but then they would not have survived after you had left except for a little while. 77. This has been our way with the messengers we sent before you, and you will never find any change in our way. 78. Observe the prayer from the decline of the sun until the darkness of night, and the dawn prayer, for certainly the dawn prayer is witnessed by angels. 79. And raise the last part of the night, offering additional prayers, so your Lord may raise you to the station of praise. 80. And may my Lord grant me an honorable entrance and an honorable exit, and give me a supporting authority from yourself. 81. And declare the truth has come and falsehood has vanished. Indeed, falsehood is bound to vanish. We send down the Quran as a healing and mercy for the believers, but it only increases the wrongdoers in loss. 83. When we grant people our favors, they turn away, acting arrogantly, but when touched with evil, they lose all hope. 84. Say, O Prophet, everyone acts in their own way, but your Lord knows best whose way is rightly guided. 85. They ask you, O Prophet, about the spirit. Say, its nature is only known only to my Lord, and O humanity, have been given but little knowledge. 86. If we willed, we could have certainly taken away what we have revealed to you, O Prophet. Then you would find none to guarantee its return from us. 87. Had it not been for the mercy of your Lord, indeed His favor upon you is immense. 88. Say, O Prophet, if all humans and the jinn were to come together to produce the equivalent of this Quran, they could not produce its equal, no matter how they supported each other. 89. And we have truly set forth every kind of lesson for humanity in this Quran, yet most people persist in disbelief. 90. They challenge the Prophet, we will never believe you until you cause a spring to gush forth from the earth for us. 91. Or until you have a garden of palm trees and vineyards, and cause rivers to flow abundantly in it. 92. Or cause the sky to fall upon us in pieces, as you have claimed, or bring Allah and the angels before us, face to face. 93. Or until you have a house of gold, or you ascend to heaven, and even that we will not believe in your ascension until you bring down to us a book that we can read. Say, glory be to my Lord. Am I not only a human messenger? 94. And nothing has prevented people from believing when guidance comes to them except their protest. Has Allah sent a human as a messenger? 95. Say, O Prophet, had there been angels walking the earth, well settled, we would have surely sent down for them an angel from heaven as a messenger. 96. Say, sufficient is Allah as a witness between me and you. He is certainly all-knowing, all-seeing of His servants. 97. Whoever Allah guides is truly guided, and whoever He leaves to stray, you will find no guardians for them besides Him, and we will drag them on their faces on the day of judgment, deaf, dumb, and blind. Hell will be their home. Whenever it dies down, we will flare it up for them. That is their reward for rejecting our signs and asking mockingly, when we are reduced to bones and ashes, we will really be raised as a new creation. Have they not realized that Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, can easily recreate them? He has already set them a time about which there is no doubt, but the wrongdoers persist in denial. 100. Say them, O Prophet, even if we were to possess the infinite treasures of my Lord's mercy, then you would certainly withhold them, fearing they would run out, for humankind is ever stingy.